Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the channel. If you're looking for your Bybit wallet address, you are in the right place. I'm going to show you quickly and easily how you can locate that address. Let's get into it. So from your Bybit app, we're going to travel up to the top of the page, and you'll see on the right hand side there is a deposit button. We're going to tap on this, and then you will choose deposit with crypto. You now want to go ahead and choose the type of crypto that you would like to deposit, and there's a long list, so you can choose what is appropriate for you. You will now also have to choose a chain type, and there are only certain chains or networks that work with certain cryptos. So BTC is the chain type that works with Bitcoin, so I'll select this one. And from this page, you can see that there is a QR code and a code underneath that. So that's your wallet address in a code form as well as a QR code form. And depending on how you are wanting to transfer your funds, you can either copy this wallet address and enter it on the receiving end of wherever it is being sent to. Or if you're doing it from a mobile device to mobile device, you can actually just scan this QR code within the app that it is getting deposited to. And once you're done, your funds are ready and available. Now, if this was helpful, you can go ahead, drop us a like, and we'll see you in next time. Peace.